This IOX installation video is designed to be used when attempting an installation in a vehicle, used in combination with a Geotab Go device and a certified Geotab IOX Garmin WT. Find an optimal location for install where GPS and cell connectivity are available. The Garmin IOX user can connect a Go device to a Garmin device to allow for enhanced in-vehicle two-way driver-dispatcher communication. Dispatchers can send stops and routes directly to the vehicle, while drivers can communicate via touchscreen. All communications are verified and time-stamped. Note, the Go device and Garmin have similar USB connectors. IOX Garmin has two USB plugs. Since the Geotab Go device and Garmin have similar USB connectors, it is possible to plug a USB plug into the wrong device. Remember that the end that goes with the Go device will always have a notch. Make sure you insert the connector into its corresponding device. Plug in your Garmin. Locate an appropriate spot to install the Garmin, such that it will not interfere with the safe operation of the vehicle. The best location to attach a Garmin suction bracket is on the vehicle windshield using the suction cup provided. Ensure the mounting surface is thoroughly clean and dry, and at least 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. Once the surface is clean, press the suction cup on the windshield surface. Hold firmly and depress the lever on the bracket to seal the bracket secure. Place the Garmin tablet onto the bracket. Please note that this is a magnetic connection and they should automatically snap together. Start the ignition and check to validate that the Garmin is powered on and is functional. Start with the Geotab Go device unplugged from the vehicle. Remove the IOX expansion port cover on your Go device. Plug in the 90-degree USB connector of the IOX Go device. Note, the USB connector can only be inserted in one orientation, as shown here. Secure the USB connector using a zip tie. Place the zip tie around the Go device and the harness. Ensure that the zip tie lays in the grooved space both on the Go device and on the head of the harness. Be sure that the zip tie fits snugged around both ports while being careful not to over-tighten it, thereby possibly damaging the USB connector. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Locate the diagnostic port of the vehicle under the dashboard and plug in the Go device. You will hear 6 beeps and all LEDs will flash. Start the vehicle immediately. Please gather any remaining portion of the cable and find a secure place under the dashboard and zip tie the bundle in an area where it will be safely out of reach and not interfere with the safe operation of the vehicle. The IOX will enter self-learn mode and your Go device will enter debug mode. You'll now see a screen displaying the current status of the device. If the device is communicating correctly, you will see green lettering on the last valid GPS record. If the text appears red, the device is unable to communicate and you must verify the installation. Next, secure the Go device by using a zip tie around the diagnostic port and the Go device. Be sure that the zip tie is tightened securely and fits snug around both parts. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Check to ensure that the device is now secure. The installation is now complete.